Today, I'll show you how to full screen Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file you want to view in full screen. Once the PDF is open, go to the top menu and click View. From the drop-down menu, choose Full Screen Mode. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-L. On Mac, press Command-L. Adobe Acrobat will now hide most of the menus and toolbars, and your PDF will fill the screen. This is useful when you want to read a document without distractions, present a PDF, or view pages more clearly. To move through the PDF, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Press the right arrow or down arrow to go to the next page. Press the left arrow or up arrow to go back to the previous page. You can also click the page if your full screen settings allow page navigation by mouse. To leave full screen mode, press Escape on your keyboard. You can also press Ctrl-L on Windows or Command-L on Mac to exit full screen mode. If full screen does not work the way you want, check the full screen preferences. On Windows, click Edit, then choose Preferences. On Mac, click Adobe Acrobat, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for Full Screen. Here, you can adjust settings like page transitions, mouse cursor behavior, background color, and how Acrobat moves between pages. After changing any settings, click OK. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, go to View, choose Full Screen Mode, or press Ctrl-L on Windows and Command-L on Mac. To exit, press Escape, and that's how you full screen Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.